Is beef and wine sauce as good as it sounds? I don't know. Let's find out. The recipe calls for 2 pounds of round roast cut in 1-inch cubes. And I've got here, it's a tuck roast, that's an inside round roast. And this is moose, by the way, because I'm not going to spend a bunch of money buying beef when I've got all kinds of moose. But anyway, we'll get this cut up. Alright, so now we gotta do oil heated up. We'll brown this in batches. So, 1 cup of shredded apple. I'll leave the peels on. Now I need a couple shredded carrots. Slice 1 onion. Now we dump everything into a pot. So I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of kosher salt. Water. Anyway, okay. 2 bay leaves. Uh, 2 bouillon cubes. These are the same thing. I don't know why they're doing that instead of using beef broth, the beef sauce, which I made some of, but we'll stick with the recipe for this time. 2 tablespoons garlic. Okay, half a cup of water, not the one I said. Half a cup of dry red wine. And I think that's pretty much it, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so now I'm going to bring this to a boil. Okay, I put the juice from the meat back in here too. And I got starting to boil. I need more liquid than that, I can tell. And then I'll bring this to low and let it simmer for an hour. I'm stirring it a lot. Okay, that's been an hour. Everything's nice and soft. What sauce there is, it's nice and thick. I took the bay leaves out. Now, I'm going to add a half a teaspoon of this browning the seasonings sauce. pints in there too. One inch of headspace. Did I say half? Definitely 1 inch of headspace is what we need. So now, I'm going to wipe these brims off. Dampen a paper towel with vinegar. Make sure they're good and clean. You need that for good seal. Get the new lid, put it on. Screw it down to finger tight. Finger tight only, no more. Into the can. Okay, so set up your canner according to your canner's instructions. In my case, I need 8 cups of hot water. And as usual, you need to exhaust for 10 minutes. And then with pints, it's pressure cook for 75 minutes. For quarts, 90 minutes. And then press start. Okay, it started its exhaust cycle. You had to beep that, meaning it's time for me to come back and close off the vent. Okay, it turned itself off. Now all I gotta do is wait for it to depressurize. Just depressurize, so now I can slowly open the lid. And I'll let it sit. It's sealing already. Let it sit for 10 minutes before I try pulling the jars out. Okay, I can pull these out now. It's good because okay, they're redder than they were when they went in. That's a good thing because it's red wine. You expect them to be red. Oh, but one of them was already sealed, which is not unusual. So is it as good as it sounds? Well, from what I tasted yesterday after I got done canning, because I had a little bit left over, yes, it is as good as it sounds. So don't be afraid to make some. And you wouldn't have to can this. You could just make some for a meal, I guess. But anyway, I hope you like my video and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, goodbye.